Google has released its AI tool, competitor of ChatGPT, named BARD. Sundar Pichai published a very nice blog post on Google blog yesterday. With reference to Moore's law, he said that the AI that Google is building is doubling its power every 6 months by breaking Moore's law. Google's ChatGPT competitor product is called BARD, work equally but better because Google has billions of data. Conversational AI 2. This tool is now in beta, it will be released properly very soon. He gave many examples. As said, once upon a time people came to Google and wrote, "How many keys does a piano have?" Google has no problem answering this type of basic question. But after the arrival of BARD, if someone asks now, is the piano or guitar easier to learn, and how much practice does each need? Then the BARD will explain beautifully and tell you how it is, how difficult it is to learn it, etc. Now it's going to be a massive battle between all the other AI chatbots and Google. Some people are saying it is Google vs ChatGPT. How to use BARD? The whole thing comes with Google search interface so you don't have to log in anywhere. This feature will be added to normal searches. Here is an example of BARD.